guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own pink lip balm. To do this, you will need Vaseline or shea butter, it depends on your choice, and a lipstick. So for the first step, you have to put some water in a pot and place it on fire. Then you put a bowl inside the boiling water. The next step, you are going to put the Vaseline into the bowl. The quantity depends on the amount you want, but I will be putting half teaspoon. Then you will put the lipstick, which also depends on how deep you want the color to be, and leave it for about 3 minutes for it to melt. Then you can transfer it to the container of your choice and put it in the fridge for 10 minutes or leave it outside to cool for about 1 hour. So guys, I made another one, but this time I used a different color of lipstick and a smaller quantity also. Now I'm going to apply my lip balm, but before I do that, I'm going to use the lip scrub first. And guys, I'm going to show you how I made this lip scrub lip scrub in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy the rest of the video.